What is up, guys? I'm back here again with another one, and in this video we are going to be analyzing step index real quick. There isn't much to do on step index at the moment, and this is step index 300 that I'm going to be analyzing. Is one of the newest step index that have just been introduced into the derivative synthetic indices markets. And as you can see, my analysis have been done on the daily time frame. My levels, I mean my zones, I've marked them out on the daily time frame. So there isn't much to really talk about here, but we are going to be doing the work. So let's get right into it. Looking at the monthly time frame, we are seeing the recent monthly time frame is a bearish engulfing candle, and that means that at least for the next 1 or 2 months we should be seeing reasons for us to sell this market. And if we can see, this is September 2025, and we are seeing the bearish move that has been massive right now. So this is indicating to us that this market is bearish for this month, and probably maybe we are going to see another bearish month next month, which is October. I do not know yet, because looking at what is happening, I can see that this market has gotten to almost the lowest low that it has ever been since this instrument was created. But that's that about that. Let's go to our weekly time frame. What are we seeing? Well, on the weekly time frame, as we can see, we see that these markets have touched the what do I call it? This market have touched the almost the second to the last zone that this market has ever been to. And why do I say that? Because as we are looking at it, which I'm going to bring out my arrow right now, as we are looking at it with this arrow, this market has gotten to this zone here. And why did I put another zone at the bottom there? If we look at our daily time frame, help us to see that market tested just only that zone there once in the past. That is the reason why I put that on the daily zone, so which is helping me to see that this market, there is probability that it might get there. But looking at this market is massively selling, so we shouldn't be looking at an opportunity to buy, but actually I'm seeing a buy setup. Why am I seeing a buy setup? It's not a literally swing buy setup, and it could be a swing buy setup. Maybe it will take a day to hit TP, or less than a day. What am I seeing? If we look at this second to the last zone that was being rejected at the moment, what are we saying? You can see that the market rejected that place, leaving a week to that place. So what are we saying? We saw that there was a push out of that zone. So it broke out of that resistance that was there, because that place is acting as a support for it. So it broke out of that resistance. And when something breaks out of a resistance zone, we are always expecting a retest to confirm our theory that that market is ready to go up, right? So which is the reason why I'm going to be going to my 4-hour time frame now. Now on the 4-hour time frame, we are already seeing a break of structure already. And where do we expect this market to come and retest? Well, bringing out our Fibonacci will help us to do that. And looking at our Fibonacci at the moment, you can see our 50 and 61.8% retracement. That is helping us to realize that there could be an opportunity for us to buy or long this market. Now, that is that about that. That's one thing that is confirming that this market, there's going to be maybe a short standby, which I think I'm willing to take the risk to enter. Now, What is another reason? Going to an hour time frame, I can see some form of consolidation around this zone here that is helping me to see that the market later broke out of that place, because I was watching that zone actually before and I was expecting a sell from that place, but the market did not sell. What did it do? It later broke out of that place. So I'm expecting a retest around this range in order for me to see a candlestick confirmation, maybe a bullish engulfing candle or a morning star on a lower time frame. Then I'm going to long this market. And where will my TP be? Definitely my first TP is going to be going to my 4 hour time frame. My first TP is going to be around 10,760, because I really love psychology levels as my TP a lot. So my first TP is going to be 10,760. And where will my second TP be? If I go to my daily time frame, there's a retest that I am expecting around this 11,150 or 180 thereabouts. I'm expecting a retest around that place, because there has been a break of structure that the market has not come back there to retest for me. So I'm expecting a long-term buy to that place, but I'm not the owner of the market, so I can't say when the market is going to get there or when price is going to retest that side. But I'm quite a little bit opinionative that this market is going to get there and reverse back to the downside. But that's all I can say right now. So I'm expecting a buy around that zone. So I'm going to give the updates next time to come and update us on what the market did at the end of the day. Did the market buy? Did it not? Whatever it does, we are going to come back to reanalyze this if the market does otherwise. But if it doesn't, then I think we have a trade here. So thank you for watching. If you like what you have seen, kindly hit that subscribe button, share this video and do well to like it, and also share with your friends who are interested in content like this and who will gain more knowledge. So peace out. Bye.